जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता सेकंड चैप्टर सांख्ययोगम 38th श्लोक। गीताचार्य श्रीकृष्ण परमात्मा teaching to each and every one of us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma says, "O Arjuna, perform your duty, fulfill your responsibility with an attitude of equanimity." It is like it may be pleasure or pain, it may be gain or loss, it may be victory or defeat. In the process of performing your duty, you have to take all of them as the same. You may ask, is it possible? Yes, if you know that if you do not take them as the same, you will incur sin, which will again and again put you in the same cycle of this birth and death. So naturally, if you remember that something is incurring you sin, you will stop doing that. So also, in the process of performing your duty, when you get pleasure, do not let it affect you so much. Or when you get pain, do not let it affect you too much. Whenever you are feeling boundless happy, you should immediately remember that this will incur me a sin. Then you will stop doing that. When there is a pain or defeat or loss, do not let it put you so much down. At that time, you should also again remember, if I am going so down, that will add some more sin into my account. If you keep remembering this fact, you will be able to maintain equanimity. Having this Krishna Paramatma's teaching running in our thoughts, let us now repeat the same words spoken by Sri Krishna Paramatma. Sukha dukhe same krutva labha labhau jaya jayau tato yuddhaya yujyasva naivam papam avapsyasi. Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma from 18th chapter, from 65th to 69th sloka, Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma saying, always think about me, manmana bhava, become my devotee, madbhakto bhava, keep dedicating all your actions to me, madhyaji bhava, keep doing namaskaram to me, mam namaskuru, surrender to me alone unconditionally, mamekam saranam vraja, do not cry, ma suchaha, keep reading at least one Gita sloka every day, keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on performing all my activities as a service to you. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on thinking that I am your belonging. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep reading at least one Gita sloka every day. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad-Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad-Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava-sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Suka Maharshi. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवो विनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. नमस्कारं टु श्रीमन्नारायण, चतुर्मुखब्रह्म, सरस्वतीदेवी, व्यासमहर्षि. नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयम् उदीरयेत्. Suta Maharshi disclosing Srimad Bhagavatam to all Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Arjuna still sharing his grief with Dharmaja and also recollecting the memories of Sri Krishna Paramatma. In that process, Arjuna saying that, O Dharmaja, O my dear brother, on that day in Kurukshetra battle, other side, the soldiers were so powerful. Bhishma, Drona, Karna, Bhurishrava, Susarma, Selya, Jayadratha, Bahlika, all those great soldiers, their weapons, their arrows were very, very powerful. When they were shooting all those powerful arrows, none of those powerful arrows could touch me, could harm me. Na upasprusuhu. O Dharmaja, all that happened, it is all because of Krishna Paramatma's anugraham only. You remember, oh my dear brother, when Paramatma came down as Narasimha Swami, his devotee Prahlada, because of Narasimha Swami's anugraham, Prahlada, even though he was tortured by several demons every day in different ways, nothing could harm Prahlada. It's all because of Narasimha Swami's anugraham. So also in the same way, Krishna Paramatma's anugraham saved me in every possible way. Oh my dear brother Dharmaja, in those days in Kurukshetra battlefield, when my horses were thirsty, I used to get down from the chariot and give water to my horses. Even when I was on the floor, nobody could shoot any arrows to me. It is all like they completely forgot, nirasta chittaha. That was an opportunity for all the enemies to attack me. But nobody, they did not even think of shooting an arrow on me. It's all because Krishna Paramatma's anugraham. Oh my dear brother Dharmaja, such Krishna Paramatma is Sakshat Srimannarayana. Yat Padapadmam Abhavaya Bhajanti Bhavyaha. Great Maharshis always meditates upon Srimannarayana to get rid of the clutch of death and birth. Such is Srimannarayana came down as Sri Krishna Paramatma. But what did I do, my dear brother, with him? I used him as my driver. Sautye Vrutaha. I used him in every possible way. I am so ignorant. I am so bad. I did not realize the supremacy of Sri Krishna Paramatma. Like this, Arjuna, recollecting every moment of Sri Krishna Paramatma and sharing that with Dharmaja. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marasatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 2nd chapter, 38th sloka. Sukha dukhe same krutva labha labhau jaya jayau tato yuddhaya yujyasva naivam papam avapsyasi. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.